What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I am going to make a delicious and healthy breakfast smoothie which is inspired by the outlet McDonald's, and we are making strawberry and banana smoothie. One of the healthiest smoothie, and it is super easy to make. It only takes 5 ingredients to make. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this recipe is ready in no time. We just need to add all the ingredients into the blender and we have to blend it, and that's it. Recipe is ready. For the smoothie consistency, you can freeze the fruit into the refrigerator and then blend it with the help of blender, and you will get a perfect consistency. So our banana and strawberry smoothie is ready to drink. You can enjoy this into your breakfast and let me know in the comment section below. That's all for today guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.